Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making shrimp fettuccine alfredo. You will need 1.5 pounds of shrimp, 1 pound of fettuccine, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of onion, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 8-ounce bag of spinach, 1 cup of parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, 1/2 cup of parsley, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of white wine, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. To a pot of water, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt, then bring the water to a boil. Add the fettuccine and cook for 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, remove it from the heat, then drain off the water and set it aside until later. In a frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and bring to medium heat. Saute your garlic for 1 minute. Now add the shrimp, then season with the salt and pepper. Allow your shrimp to cook for 2 minutes. Remove the shrimp from the pan and set them aside until later. Add the white wine and lemon juice and deglaze the bottom of the pan. Now add your onion, parsley, tomatoes, and spinach and saute for 2 minutes. Pour in the heavy cream and add the Parmesan cheese and mix well. Season with the red pepper flakes, then return the shrimp to the pan and continue to cook on medium-low heat for 3 minutes. Now add the fettuccine to the pan and continue cooking for another 2 minutes, then it is ready to serve. This fettuccine alfredo is restaurant quality. I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make. To grab